Great to have you along on this Tuesday evening. We've got some hazy skies out there right now, and I anticipate we'll still have some hazier skies over the coming days as some wildfire smoke will begin to mix into northwest Ohio and southeast Michigan. We're also tracking some rain chances for this coming weekend. We'll highlight that coming up here in just a moment. Here's those fires that are up in Canada right now, and you can see it's actually formed a little bit of rain just because of the height and all the energy that's within the atmosphere. This will generally be tracking down to the south towards our area, likely as we get a little bit closer towards Thursday, which may have a few impacts there. Temperatures still pretty warm out there. 93 in Toledo, 88 down in Ottawa and Findlay. We're going to notice temperatures tonight finally getting a little bit of relief as we come back into around 70 degrees. And we're going to warm up once again for tomorrow. Those air temperatures into the middle 90s. Heat indices getting close to near 100 degrees. So just make sure you're drinking plenty of water if you're spending any time outdoors. We'll see even more relief as we head in towards Thursday. Those air temps coming down to around 90 degrees. Heat indices still in the lower to middle 90s for us. That wildfire smoke I talked about, though, starting Thursday, that's when it will start to move into our area, and that's going to cause reduced air quality as well as some hazier skies as well. So if you're a bit sensitive to air quality, keep that in mind. You might want to limit your time outdoors. Maybe even make sure, too, you're using that circulated air while you're in your car as you're heading out. Here's the wildfire smoke. It's anticipated to move down to the south, and you'll notice by late Wednesday heading into Thursday, that's when we really start to see those impacts here. And we'll be keeping a close eye on that air quality because that could directly impact you if you're spending any sort of time outdoors. Extended forecast, we're going to keep things into the 90s through at least Friday. Rain chances have gone up for Friday evening heading into Saturday. A few scattered shower and storms are expected, and then we'll start to notice a bit of relief finally start to move back in as we head into the end of the weekend. Temps going back down into the upper 80s, and we're going to keep cooling down. We'll actually turn below average by the time that we head in towards next week. Still the chance for a spotty storm for Monday and Tuesday, but yeah, look at that, finally reaching back into the lower 80s.
Well, the low temperature is dipping into the 50s.
59?
Right? Yeah, how about that? Bunch of relief. Finally getting in. We'll have a cold front kind of move in and just kind of dry things out a little bit for us.
It makes sense for Northwest Ohio.
Yep.
It really
just
does.
typical
Because
fashion,
nothing makes sense.
Exactly.
Weather-wise. Thanks, Davis.